Welcome to Big Idea Hurdly, where you can learn something new in just a few minutes. Today, we study together how to craft effective AI prompts that maximize generative AI's potential for various applications. Stephanie Diamond is a marketing expert. Don't go away. Hurdly, the editor, will be right back with the story. Crafting effective AI prompts is more of an art than a science, and mastering this skill can unlock the true potential of generative AI in ways that are both practical and transformative. At its core, the process involves understanding the nuances of language, the specific requirements of the task at hand, and the capabilities of the AI being used. Let's delve into this crucial aspect, examining how to structure prompts that can lead to more accurate, creative, and relevant outputs across various domains. Understanding the context. A well-crafted prompt begins with a deep understanding of the context. This includes knowing the intended audience, the desired outcome, and the specific AI tool being utilized. The prompt should be clear, concise, and context-rich to guide the AI effectively. In this book, there's an insightful story about a marketer named Jenna who was struggling to create engaging content for a campaign. She initially used vague prompts like, "Write a blog post about our new product." The AI's output was generic and uninspiring. However, once Jenna refined her prompt to include specific details about the target audience, tone, and key messages, the AI generated a compelling and targeted piece that resonated with her customers. This shift in approach highlights the importance of context in crafting prompts. As the book aptly notes, the effectiveness of an AI prompt is directly proportional to the clarity and specificity of the context provided. Balancing creativity and constraints. Another essential aspect of effective prompt crafting is finding the right balance between creativity and constraints. Too much freedom can lead to irrelevant or unfocused outputs, while overly restrictive prompts can stifle the AI's creative potential. Consider the case of a fashion designer named Marco, who was using AI to brainstorm ideas for a new clothing line. Initially, he used a highly constrained prompt: design a red dress for the winter season. The AI's suggestions were predictable and lacked innovation. Marco then adjusted his approach by asking the AI to create a winter outfit inspired by the vibrant hues of a sunset, incorporating modern eco-friendly materials. This broader, yet still guided prompt led to a burst of creative ideas that combined sustainability with unique color palettes, something Marco hadn't considered before. This story from the book illustrates how a well-balanced prompt can inspire creativity while still aligning with the designer's objectives. Iterative refinement and feedback-effective prompt crafting often involves iterative refinement, where the initial prompt is adjusted based on the AI's output and feedback. This process ensures that the final result is as close to the desired outcome as possible. One memorable story from the book is about a customer service manager, Linda, who wanted to use AI to improve her team's response templates. Her first prompt was broad: generate responses for customer complaints. The AI's outputs were too varied and didn't match the company's tone. Linda refined her prompt multiple times, incorporating specific language and examples of preferred responses. Through this iterative process, she eventually developed a set of templates that were not only consistent with the brand's voice, but also more effective in resolving customer issues. This iterative approach is key to mastering prompt crafting, as the book suggests. The first prompt is rarely perfect. It's the refinement process that brings out the true potential of AI. Incorporating examples for clarity. Including examples in your prompts can significantly enhance the AI's understanding and ability to generate relevant content. Examples act as a guide, showing the AI exactly what kind of output is expected. This book recounts the story of a social media manager named Alex, who struggled to generate catchy taglines for a series of ads. His initial prompts were too vague, and the AI produced bland results. Realizing the need for clarity, Alex revised his prompt to include examples of successful taglines from previous campaigns. With these examples, the AI was able to produce a set of fresh, engaging taglines that fit perfectly with the brand's image. This case underscores the book's advice. Examples are the AI's compass, guiding it toward the desired creative direction. Precision in language is crucial when crafting AI prompts. The words and phrases you choose can significantly impact the quality of the AI's output. Ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings, while precise language helps the AI deliver exactly what you need. An intriguing story from the book involves a legal advisor, Tom, who was using AI to draft contract clauses. His initial prompts like, "Create a clause for non-disclosure," were too vague, resulting in generic and sometimes legally unsound text. After consulting with a colleague, Tom refined his prompt to specify the jurisdiction, the type of information covered, and the penalties for breaches. This precision led to a highly accurate and usable clause, demonstrating how careful word choice can make or break the effectiveness of a prompt. As the book states, the devil is in the details, especially when it comes to legal language. Precision is not just recommended, it's essential. Considering the AI's limitations. While AI is powerful, it has its limitations. Understanding these limitations is crucial in crafting prompts that the AI can handle effectively. Asking too much or posing questions beyond the AI's capacity can lead to disappointing results. This point is well illustrated by the story of an educational content creator, Sarah, who wanted to use AI to generate a comprehensive lesson plan on quantum mechanics. Her first prompt was overly ambitious. Create a detailed lesson plan on quantum mechanics for high school students, including activities, assessments, and multimedia resources. The AI struggled to produce coherent content due to the complexity and breadth of the request. Realizing this, Sarah broke down the task into smaller, more manageable prompts, such as generate a simple introduction to quantum mechanics concepts for beginners. By acknowledging the AI's limitations, Sarah was able to extract useful content that she could then expand upon manually. This lesson from the book highlights the importance of setting realistic expectations when working with AI. Know your AI's limits and tailor your prompts to fit within those boundaries. Leveraging AI's strengths. While it's important to recognize AI's limitations, it's equally crucial to leverage its strengths. AI excels in areas like pattern recognition, data synthesis, and generating variations on a theme. By crafting prompts that play to these strengths, you can achieve impressive results. The book shares the experience of a product developer, Emma, who was designing a new line of kitchen gadgets. She used AI to generate a variety of design concepts. Instead of asking for a specific design, Emma prompted the AI to generate 5 innovative design concepts for a multifunctional kitchen tool that combines the features of a whisk, spatula, and tongs. The AI's ability to quickly synthesize and combine different functionalities into cohesive designs was exactly what Emma needed. This approach allowed her to explore a range of creative possibilities that she might not have considered on her own. The takeaway here is clear. When you align your prompts with the AI's strengths, the results can exceed expectations. The role of experimentation. Finally, experimentation plays a vital role in mastering AI prompt crafting. Since AI can surprise you with its creativity, it's worth experimenting with different prompt structures, tones, and approaches to see what yields the best results. The book recounts a story of a novelist, Jake, who was facing writer's block. He decided to use AI to generate ideas for his next book. Rather than sticking to a single prompt, Jake experimented with several. Generate a plot outline for a thriller involving cybercrime. Write a character sketch of a reclusive hacker with a mysterious past. And describe a futuristic city where technology controls every aspect of life. By playing around with different prompts, Jake found inspiration in unexpected places, which eventually led to a breakthrough in his writing process. This story emphasizes the book's point. AI is a tool for discovery as much as it is for execution. Don't be afraid to explore the creative possibilities it offers. As the editor of Hardly, by learning these techniques, we can foresee a future where AI not only assists in tasks, but also co-creates with us, opening up new realms of innovation and efficiency in ways we've yet to fully imagine. In summary, crafting effective AI prompts is a skill that can unlock immense potential across various fields, from marketing to creative writing to customer service. By understanding the context, balancing creativity with constraints, refining prompts iteratively, and leveraging AI's strengths, we can guide AI to produce highly relevant and innovative outputs. One striking story from the book that encapsulates these principles involves a startup founder named Rachel. She was developing an AI-powered app designed to suggest personalized wellness routines. Initially, Rachel's prompts were too general, leading to suggestions that felt generic and lacked personalization. Realizing this, she refined her prompts to include specific details about the user's lifestyle, goals, and preferences. For instance, instead of "create a wellness routine," she prompted the AI with "suggest a morning routine for a busy professional focused on stress reduction and energy boost." This change resulted in tailored, actionable routines that resonated with users and significantly improved the app's engagement and retention rates. Rachel's experience highlights how critical it is to fine-tune prompts to achieve meaningful results. By mastering the art of prompt crafting, we not only enhance the capabilities of AI, but also open up new possibilities for collaboration between humans and technology, setting the stage for innovative solutions and creative breakthroughs.